Aware po ba kayo na ano, na wala po ba talagang, notarization or hindi po kumbaga, napanotaryo yung, dokumento po na yun kasi kinu-question po yun bakit daw, pinresent sa, impeachment trial gayong, yun nga po, bukod sa hindi po wet signature daw yung ginamit, hindi po daw po napanotaryo.
Um, ang, I'm not so sure about the particulars. To be honest with you, it's the first time that I saw even portions of it, a while ago when it was flashed. So, but from my understanding is it was not required to be notarized, no, when he submitted it. So, but ang importante dito, hindi naman ibig sabihin ng dahil lang hindi notaryadong isang dokumento, para na lang basura na ito or wala na siyang kahit na anong importansya, no? So, yun ho siguro yung sagot doon, no? And maliwanag naman, no, nung prinesenta yan kanina with qualification naman din, no, yung pagpayag ng presiding officer nung ito ay pina-identify sa witness na flash yung ibang portions noon, no, maliwanag naman, sinabi naman yan, it is not intended to prove the contents but just to prove the fact. This is it was one of the documents that was considered by the NBI, no, when it determined that the threat is serious and that they needed to take further action with respect to it. At doon na nakita kasi yung pattern of violence, capacity to carry out the threat, no. Yun lang naman ang konteksto doon, no, nung prinesenta yan to show ito yung mga bagay na nakita, pinag-aralan at kinonsidera ng NBI.
Well, tama yung binanggit ni Attorney Jay, no? Again, pinipresenta ho yun as a fact eh. Hindi ba? Kumbaga, ano magagawa ni Director Matibag ay yun yung lumapag sa lamesa niya na dokumento. For example, Intel reports. Yung mga Intel reports na lumalapag sa NBI, law enforcement, notaryado ba yung mga yun? Tingin ko hindi. Hindi ba? So, hindi ho requirement to basically show yung fact that this particular paper exists, this particular document exists. Yun lang naman yung sinasabi ni Director Matibag. Lumapag itong dokumento sa kanya. Is there a requirement for this particular document to actually be notarized? I don't think so. No? And pandagdag na lang din naman yung binabanggit ni Chairperson Jervil Luistro na this particular document, even if unnotarized, was actually submitted to the ICC. Hindi ba? It was never meant to say na dapat magkaiba yung standards ng Senate Impeachment Court at yung ICC. Kundi, the fact of the matter remains that this particular Las Cañas document was submitted to the ICC and it was accepted. Hindi ba? So, ibig sabihin, ang mahalaga naman ho na merong notarized affidavit, it is not the Las Cañas document. It is if there is a Matibag affidavit, then that should be the one that should be notarized kasi that will be the one which will be submitted to the Senate Impeachment Court if it actually exists. Hindi ba?
I think ko-connect ko lang. I think that is related to the ongoing investigation that the NBI is conducting, 'di ba? Parang there are a lot of materials, documents that the NBI actually pull in as a means of considering that they are also accepting Intel reports. Yun yung mga sabi nila, 'di ba? So Intel reports are not necessarily notarized, 'di ba? So these are matters by which the NBI also look into para again to establish the premise by which the NBI is on the right track of proceeding to a full investigation. Ganun lang naman eh. At saka bago na-presenta yon or na-presenta while it was presented and then questioned by the defense, ang presiding officer naman nag-remind naman din sa mga senator judges na this should not be taken, the truthfulness of the document should not be taken into consideration. Ang sinasabi lang is ito nga yung mga isa sa mga tinitingnan ng NBI sa kanilang investigation at hindi nangangahulugan na yun na yung katotohanan. Ibig sabihin, sinasabi ni Director Matibag na isa to sa mga sources na ginagawa namin, na ma-reference namin na parte, na kinukonsider namin parte doon sa mga pool of intel reports na it's either testimony directly from the person intel report or documented by a person relating kung ano yung pagkakaalam niya doon sa person na yun under investigation.
Okay, follow up na lang po, last follow up. So, although it was already explained by lead prosecutor Jervy Luistro, hindi niyo naman po nakikita na napahina nung pagiging hindi siya notarized. Yung kasi may binabanggit po doon si Las Cañas na yung sa Oplan Tokhang, yung mga orders ng pagkidnap, etc., yung mga ganyan, yung pattern of violence. So tingin niyo naman po yung magiging judgment or yung magiging appreciation ng senator judges doon sa usapin na yun, hindi naman po madidiminish. Dahil nga po hindi siya notarized, of course, kasi di ba medyo nagalit nga po si Senator Pia kanina.
Walang na-prove lang naman doon sa dokumento na yun is yung premise at yung rason at saka yung basis ng NBI kung bakit meron ongoing investigation. Yun lang naman yung pinipresenta din ng House Prosecution Panel. It does not mean anything. It does not mean that, yung nga sabi nga ng presiding officer, whatever is in that document should not be treated as the biblical truth. It cannot even be considered as something for the sitting judges to look into and, to include that as part of their, if they, at the event that they will reach a point where they need to, make up their minds, ay wag i-consider yan. Ang sinasabi lang doon, yun lang na-prove lang doon, may basihan ang NBI para mag-proceed sila sa kanilang ongoing and open investigation.
Sir, from DCRJ.
Yeah, just quick lang. And the fact remains is, pinaka-importante pa rin dito, yung pinaka-central issue dito is, napatunayan na meron talagang ginawang pagbabanta. No? At napatunayan na meron din talagang ginawang kasunduan sa isang taong vice-presidente na patayin ng presidente. At the end of the day, kahit dyan lang tayo mag-focus. No? Napaka-importante, makikita na natin, masasagot na yung katanungan na meron bang ginawang paglabag ng konstitusyon, meron bang ginawang pagtataksil sa tiwala ng bayan.
Pero panghuli na lang, I think if that is it appears to be a challenge, di ba? Kasi nga, unnotarized, and it's submitted to the ICC. So siguro pwede pag-isipan ng prosecution. Hindi ba? Is that what they want to actually happen? For the prosecution to actually invite Arturo Las Cañas to the Senate impeachment trial? Kasi we have to go back to the point na it was basically that particular testimony which sent the former president to The Hague. Hindi ba? So if it's something that the defense would want to undertake, or kami, we will talk about it, we will see if that is material and relevant or timely pa ba. Lalo't higit, magsasara na po kami. Pero kung ang debate lang po ay whether notarized o hindi, again, we have to go back. That particular testimony is what sent the former president to The Hague.